everybody, this is Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited that you're here. I have some Everyday Explorers November releases to share with you. Some really good stamp sets as always. So first, I'm going to show you the little sneak peek of this one. This is Mini Makers Book 8, Feels Like Home, and it is going to be an awesome kit to document the stories of your house. And there's even some new type of stickers in here. So I'm very excited to go digging through my archives to find some great photos to document. So I will show that in another video for release day. Okay, the first stamp set is Family Story. So this is what family looks like: mom, dad, step, and then sister, brother from another mother. This is our awesome and unconventional family. We're so obviously related, the more the merrier, family time. So some really great sentiments to document all the family stories. And that is gonna be what my project is for this video. The next one is called My People. So my favorite person, these are my people: sisters for life, online buddy, fellow foodie, what a hottie, favorite person on the internet, support group, howdy neighbor. We make a great team. Always fun with this one. So many great prompts to document all the different types of people in your life, and I really love that. So creative. So this is called Pen and Paper, and it has lots of different fountain pens and a pencil, washi tape, 2 different sizes, well, 3 different sizes of journalings, ink of the day, pen of the day, pen-abled, adding to my stationery stash, all the journals. So I'm really excited to document that kind of aspect of my creative side, all my journals and my pens and my markers. I'm excited. So that is the third one that is in this release. Like I said, I'm gonna do a family story for my project, and I am gonna do a 7 by 8.25. And what I did is I took some photos of us that we took this year and I made them into a collage. And then I left 2 spots right here and then a square there that I'll fill in with some journaling cards. And then I can map this on the 7 by 8.25 paper. And then I can decorate it with all the stamps and the stamp phrases and have fun putting together a little page about our 2021 family selfies. I'm gonna go ahead and switch to voiceover. Okay, so my hands are really cold, so I had to put on my compression gloves, so that is what I'm wearing. You probably haven't seen them in a video in a really long time, but just wanted to address that first. So I hole punch the papers, that way I know where the holes are gonna be, and then I can put down my collages, and that way I can make sure that no family faces are gonna be punched. Bodies are okay, but not heads, right? And I get out my ruler to make sure that it's level on both sides. I liked the idea of printing these collages in like a large block like this, and then having the larger paper to kind of be the background, and then that way at the bottom I can add something with the stamps, which I'm going to do in just a little bit. I used a Studio Calico star card to fill in that little square up in the top right. Figured that would be a good place to do a cluster of stamping and some embellishments. And the middle would be a great spot for a title piece. And I decided to go with some browns and blacks. So definitely some neutrals. I could have gone with some really vibrant colors because of the family photos, but I decided that I wanted the photos to be kind of the focal point. So neutrals were the best option. So this is where I start to stamp the bottom border. I was kind of going for not only a border, but for it to look like it actually came on the paper. I think I've done this type of thing maybe before, but I'm not sure. And also it could look like, you know, the printed washi tape. But either way, I absolutely love how it came out. I took the words mom, dad, sister, and brother, and then I stamped them all across the page in brown and gray and black ink. And then I will add in a star as well, and then also some arrows from the mixed mark kit as well. So I really like that. It's just messy, not too precise with my stamping, but it was a lot of fun to be able to incorporate all those different phrases that definitely apply to our family. And then the title piece will be, "This is what family looks like," and I will fussy cut that out in just a second. I also used some new labels that I got from Studio Calico to stamp a phrase on as well. Just stamping a variety of phrases that I could use. Like I even stamped the "more the merrier," but I wound up not using that one. I used my X-Acto knife to make sure I got the exact measurement for the brown piece that I needed. Once again, using my ruler to make sure that it's even on both sides, or that it's level at both sides. And then I will cut out the different pieces and pop dot a few of them. I also pulled out from my Studio Calico stash some tickets that were in the same neutral color scheme. So I'm going to go ahead and use those to kind of support the stamps as well and kind of help build the stamp clusters a little more. So like I said earlier, the family cutout is going to be over on the left side as like a title piece. Grabbing one of those stamped labels, I put "These are my people," and it kind of extends out the family title a little bit more. Also adding that ticket, brown one that says "More of this, please," and then I'll put "We're so obviously related." And then I found some acetate stars, and I'm gonna put those around as well. And I also found a little spot down at the bottom that I really didn't like because of the arrows. They were like smushed together. So I am going to fix that in just a minute with a clever little trick. I took a small piece of the gray ticket and put it right underneath the family title piece, which I really liked. And then I will put a star next to it as well, and a small one over by "These are my people." And then at the last minute, I'm going to decide to staple down everything just to give a little more texture. And whenever I think of tickets, I think of stapling down. So that's what I'm going to do. So here is this cool little trick I did for the ticket down at the bottom right. There was 2 arrows that were next to each other. So I turned the ticket vertical and then stamped "best, coolest," and then I just wrote in "family selfies." And I just did, for the date, I just did 01 and then 2021, because it's basically all the selfies I could find from this year. We have not taken as many as I would like, but it's enough. So this is where I add the staple, and I'm just going to add it to the bottom of the ticket area and up by "More of this, please." And then for the gray one, I actually had to pull that off and then staple it because obviously the stapler is not going to reach that far. But that's okay. Just pulled it off, stapled it, and then my page is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the new releases for Everyday Explorers and seeing this project come together. I would love a thumbs up or subscribe if you want to keep seeing my projects. All right, have a great day. Bye.